Hello everyone. In the next few tutorials about Linux commands, I will explain you some of the most important Linux commands to quickly and easily master and operate the Linux operating system. Each tutorial will contain 5 commands to make the tutorials shorter and to keep you focused. In the beginning, it will probably be a little difficult for everyone who has not used Linux throughout the terminal, but after a certain period, you will do most of the work with easy and much faster than through the graphical interface. Each command has its own additional parameters to extend its functionality, but in this tutorial we don't want to go too much in details. Consider it to be a basic introduction to the basic Ubuntu commands. And in today's tutorial I will show you how to navigate throughout folders via Linux terminals, how to view all files in folders including hidden ones, also how to create a directory, how to delete it, and how to delete folders that are not empty. First of all, open the terminal. You can do this in 2 ways. Find the terminal icon in the main menu, then click on it. Or do that just by pressing Ctrl Alt plus T. Now first thing we need to do is to use terminal without interruption and without restrictions, and how to make that. Must log in as a super user. That is comment your super user login. Now password your username. As a super user, you can execute commands with administrative privileges. That is just like run as administrator in Windows operating system. This is useful when, for example, you need to modify files in the directory that your user wouldn't normally have access to. And after you have entered a good password, you can manage your computer as a super user. The first command I will show you is a cd, and with it also the ls command, but these two commands are closely related. cd, lowercase. What is cd? cd is a command for changing a directory in the terminal. It is one of the basic Ubuntu commands that you cannot avoid, no matter what you do. But to use it, just simply need to type the name of the folder that you want to move to, or full path to the folder. cd /home /your username folder, and now you can see you are just in your home username folder. If you want to go in your previous folder, just type cd ... enter, and now you can see you're in your home folder. To list all files and folders in your home folder, just type ls. And now you can see your folder name, username, here in home folder. Now to get into that folder, just type cd, then name of your folder. But you do not need to type all words every time. Just type first letter or a couple of few letters and then tab. And now you can see the system is automatically that regularized. I'll enter, and you can see you're just in your username folder. Now ls, Now you can see all files in your user folder. For example, if you want to go into downloads folder, just type cd, then applet tab, and now you can see your path. Another way to see where you are is to type pvd, and now that is your full path. Home, then username folder, and then downloads. To go into the previous folder, just type cd minus, and now you can see. And now just type cd, and if you want from here to go into your test directory or videos, just type cd, then home, then your username, then videos. Home slash uppercase, and now you can see I'm in my videos folder. ls is empty. The ls command will show you or list for you the files in your current directory. Using with certain options, you can see sizes of files, when files were made, and permissions of files. If you want to see all hidden files, just type ls -a, and now you can see the folder is empty. But now for test purposes, I will make one directory and one hidden directory. That I will do with command mkdir. Mkdir means make directory. Mkdir test dir 1. Now enter, and now I have make my test directory 1 in folder videos. If I want to list and see where is my folder, just type ls, and you can see your folder is just there. And now if you want to make hidden one, make dir mkdir test dir 2, but first at all just type dot here, and now enter. Now again ls, and you can see here is just your test directory 1. If you want to see your hidden directory, you need to type ls -a. Now you can see your hidden folder is here. And now the question is how to remove a folder. We have two ways to delete a folder, depending on whether it is empty or not. First command, if folder is empty, is just to type remove dir rmdir and folder name test dir 1. Now type enter. Now ls -a, and you can see your folder is deleted. But if your folder is not empty, then you need to enter another command. Just for this example, I will make subfolder in our testdir2 directory. Now cd dot, well, you can see here, this is hidden folder, dot test, and now I will make one folder in our testdir2. Now ls, and you can see in our home folder, username, videos, in test directory 2, you can see this inside is test directory 3. If you want to delete for these purposes, just type cd dot dot. Now you are in videos. Now ls, while our folder is hidden, ls-a, and if you try to delete with rmdir command, you will be notified thus failed to remove test directory 2. And to remove a directory that is not empty, use the rm command with the -r option, that is for recursive delete. But be very careful with this command, because using the rm-r, you can delete not only everything in the named directory, but also everything in its subdirectories. And now LSA, and you can see our folder is empty. The rm-r option or command remove directories and their contents recursively, including all files. And the f option, you can so type or just -f. The -f option, including rm command, ignore non-existent files and arguments and never prompt for anything. There is no undo option, so you have to be very careful with rm-r and f command. And now question, what have we learned today? At first, cd command or change directory. Second, ls command for list files, mkdir to make directories or folders, remove directories, and 5, remove directories recursively. It was 5 first and basic commands, and in the next tutorial I will show you next 5 commands. Thank you for your watching.